Alright, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's word of the day. Marmalade. Marmalade. Marmalade, like a jam of sorts. Oh, not quite. No, okay, no. Or maybe a sauce. Let's have a look at sauce. Yeah, not quite. So, marmalade, yeah. A sweet jam or sauce. Sauce made from fruit, especially oranges. Yeah, so oranges. Oops. Orange, here we are, very good. Yeah, so a jam that's made with fruit, often oranges, and can be sweet. Yeah, so marmalade is sweet. 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 So I like marmalade. I like marmalade. They use marmalade a lot. She cooks with marmalade often. He does not like marmalade. It is too sweet. Oh, too sweet. Yeah. I very rarely eat marmalade. Very rarely. Yeah, rarely. Yeah. It is a new kind of marmalade with strawberries. Strawberry. Let's try and get a picture. Strawberry. Here we are. Strawberry. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, they are making more marmalade. More marmalade. How much more marmalade do we need? How much more marmalade do we need? How much more marmalade? Yeah. We need 10 more jars, for example. Yes, jar. Jar. Yeah. When did you last have marmalade? I think I last had marmalade a few months ago. I guess. Yeah. She is making marmalade for us. Yeah, now, I don't know why, but she often makes marmalade in the summer. I guess because that is when the fruit is ready to be picked or harvested and turned into marmalade. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. He will learn how to make marmalade eventually. Yeah. Sometime in the future, they will know how to make better marmalade. Yeah. Because marmalade is a good sauce to have with most food, especially bread. Yeah, and most and desserts, and with desserts. Dessert, yeah, anything really. Dessert, yeah, like a cake. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Very good. So, can you use marmalade in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.